What's up, everybody? I'm Eddie Dodge and this is Cooking is Amazing, and today we're simply just going to boil some eggs. But I'm going to show you a technique that will allow you to peel these eggs with one hand. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be amazing. Stay tuned. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to put 6 eggs into the pot, and you want to get, this trick works best the fresher the eggs are. So if you have eggs that's been sitting in the refrigerator for a while, it will work. You just gotta, there's another step that you have to take to get it done right. Now that we have our eggs in there, cover them with water. Cold water, do not use hot water. Just put cold water over the top of your eggs. And all you wanna do is just cover them. You don't wanna go way up to the top, just cover them, just like that. All right guys, now step 2. Put the pot on the stove, turn it on high. Let's get those eggs up to a boil. All right, y'all, eggs are boiling now, as you can see. So right at this moment, we're gonna put a lid on and turn the heat off. Just let them sit. And we wanna let them sit for at least 15 minutes right there. All right, so our 15 minutes is up. Now, I wanna take these off the heat, because I don't wanna cook them anymore. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind, if you're trying to get a soft boiled egg or something like that, you gotta vary your times. I'm just going for regular hard boiled eggs for a salad. So now that they're done, now I want to cool them off. We started with cold water, we want to end with cold water. Just want to pour the hot water out. And then what I do, I will run cold water on them and just let the water run. They're cooled off, still not to my liking, so I dump that. And then this time I fill them back up with cold water. That's full. Dump it with ice. There is no vinegar, there's nothing in this water. We started with water, a pot, and eggs, and that's it. That's all we're doing. And now we're putting back in cold water, just putting the ice on there, and we're just gonna let that sit until all that ice is melted. Okay, as you can see, all the ice is now melted. The water's freezing cold, but here's how to do it with one hand, okay? Take the egg, just go ahead and just mash it up all over. Get it on the sides, the top, bottom. Just beat it all over. So the egg's nice and cracked everywhere. You can see that. Try to get it to focus a little better. It's cracked up everywhere. Stick it back in the water. Just take your thumb, just push it around. As you can see, all the shells is already starting to come off. When you catch it, you gotta peel that membrane off, and it's right on the bottom. As you can see, it all just right off. Perfect. Do it again. Crack it up good. Back in the water. And just peel it off. All with one hand. No vinegar. Nothing in the water. Just egg, pot, water. Boiled them down. We started with cold water. And then we just finish them off with cold water with ice. That's it. Alright folks, that's gonna do it. I hope you enjoyed that tip, and I hope it helps you out this holiday season when you're making those deviled eggs. Real simple. Just get them in some cold water, bring them to a boil, throw a lid on, let them sit 15 minutes, and then pull them down in the sink. Once that's done, peel them. Easy, simple. Everything comes off and just comes out easy. My buddy Francis Bolton taught me that trick 15 or 16 years ago. It's been a long time, and I've used it ever since, and it has never failed me. So from my family to yours, thank you, we love you, God bless. And if you hadn't already, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have more videos coming out, probably 2 or 3 a week. We have not determined the days yet, but they're coming. Thank you.